Between the light and the shadow of trees, hidden stories start to glow. Between the light and the shadow of trees, forgotten power breathes again. Between the light and the shadow of trees, every step reveals its name. Ancient winds are calling me, carrying me through time and haze. Ancient winds are whispering down to the place where dreams are born.
Between the